Hi everyone, good evening. It's probably morning to you if you're watching this like for the first time, because I usually post in the mornings, but it's 8 p.m. Nobody is home. I'm here all by myself. I've forgotten when I did anything the last time. Where's my book? I lost my journal. I forgot when I did anything at 8 p.m. the last time, and I lost my journal. Can you imagine? Where did I put my journal? It's crazy. I was for sure it was in here. I just wanted to work a little more in my nature journal. There it is, right in front of my nose. See? Oh my God, I thought somebody was talking. You gotta spend time with me because it's scary. It's scary. I'm all by myself. Well, two dogs are here. And as long as Luna isn't barking, things are okay. But I think I hear BJ crying. Yep, BJ is crying. He was just asleep. You know, it's his time, actually. Let me see if I can bring him to bed. All right. Now I want to know how this one goes. So, I will tell you while I find something to do in my journal. Oh, I did this. Let's just start out here. I put BJ to bed in Michelle's room, you know, and he's all by himself and the door is closed, so I don't know how this one is going to go. I prepared something without you. I truthfully just took an envelope and I put it here and I folded it and I looked how long it's going to be and then I cut it off and sewed around it. I glued this flap down and then I have sewn around it. So I got like two pockets. This one is shorter because I glued this part on here and this I left like a tuck spot. I don't know if I'm going to use it like a tuck spot or not, but you know, I probably will. I wanted to have something here and have something skinny go up here, maybe like a tag or maybe nothing. This could be just written on, and I wanted something to stick out on the side. So I made it longer than my envelope here. That's all I did, basically. Yeah, and I distressed it. And I'm going to glue it from this side. I'm thinking I'm gonna make it a pocket too. Why not? Why not? So something could go in here, I guess, or not. Should we? Should we just glue it? Okay. So, however, it's 8 p.m. My people went to another state. They went to Nevada. Oh my God, I can't believe this. They went to Nevada to a casino. My husband and I, we met at an online poker game, right? So it was not for money or anything. It was just for fun and for chips, for, you know, fun chips. And yeah, we love poker and, you know, craps. I love craps. He loves craps. You know, he was playing a lot before we met. And since we got married, we, as far as I know, we did not play craps. No, we did not play craps. So for many years now, we did not. And he's a very responsible husband. I'm trying to figure out how to glue this. If I glue this first or decorate this first. Maybe I should decorate this first, huh? He's a very responsible husband and father. You know, he stopped playing computer games. He stopped going to the casino. He always says, like, if I start doing something like that, I will spend way too much time on it, you know. So let's distress this a little more. Kind of doesn't look, oh, much better when I distress it more. It doesn't look too good to me yet. Yeah, however, I'm very happy for him that he went. Actually, we were expecting his mom this weekend. So today he was gonna go see his mom. But yeah, things happened and it didn't work out, sadly, you know, because his mom is from the East Coast and it was just impossible. It was nothing we did or she did. It just was impossible. However, so they decided to go to the casino now. And I stayed here. I'm not feeling very well. And you know, to me, I would love to go, but you have to drive for hours. And when I drive for hours, first of all, I have anxiety. I can't be driven anymore. But even if I could, after driving for hours, I feel so exhausted and bad that I'm not gonna be good anymore. Okay, so I do wanna put a little something right here, and I'm gonna try my new ones without pushing them too hard. So let's see how this is gonna work out, because the other ones, they just opened up really badly. This one fits very good. I'm just gonna push a little and then I'm gonna use my hammer, but I don't know how much a little is for this one. Maybe I should find out first, but I didn't. Okay, oh, if I push a little, it breaks already. I'm still gonna use my hammer. You see, it broke already. So I would not recommend. Only use for something that is gonna be covered up. That's what I would say. Well, I gotta keep it here now, but you see, I just pushed a little bit. Usually I push a little bit and then hammer, and it's like a good. You know what? Let's just try something out. I'm gonna cut this one straight. I know, I'm here for my juncture. And you know what? I do remember. Oop, BG barking. 1 second. All right, so he didn't want to be alone. Okay, oh, this one has this part here. What do I do? I wanted to try something out, but apparently I can't. Let's take this piece of paper. I do remember my other journal, but I need to wait for the muse to kiss me, because I truly have been stressing out about the cover so bad, and it's no good. It's not good because I don't know how to make the cover. I don't know. I want to try something out here. I wish they would have worked. How about putting one of the rings on there? Is it gonna make a big difference? But isn't it hard to do? How do you even do that? Which way does the ring go, for example? I do not know. I do not know. I'm just gonna put the ring this way around, right here, and hope for the best, right? I mean, it was cheap enough to try things out. I'm trying to get it, well, inside of my eyelid, and apparently I need my head to go all the way down there to figure that one out. Where are you at? There you are. Oh, I didn't push this. So of course it's not gonna move there. Okay. No, it doesn't work at all. This thing is still on here. So what do you do? But now it didn't break it, so I'm gonna hammer it. Now it kind of worked. It didn't break it. This thing is still here, the metal thing. What do you do with the metal thing, guys? Do you do it on this side? It kind of warped my thing here. I don't know. Do not recommend. What do I do with those now? All you can do is, when you do something where it's going to be hidden, you know, you put it somewhere just as decoration, and from the other side there's going to be something. So like I said in my other video, if I would do this again, that I hang over the page, then yes. See, these would break on the side, the ones that I have, but not like this all the way. So yeah, not very excited. I was hoping, but they fit in the hole. And what do I do with this metal piece on here? Now I pushed, oh my God, don't tell me. No, it's just came off. This metal piece doesn't do anything. Or do I put it under this part? Who knows the answer? Let me know, because I do not know. So I'm gonna use these as my metal decoration for something. And I know I'm here to continue on my book, but I'm having experiments because sometimes things hit me and I want to try, right? So back to this. back to this. Yeah, I'm just gonna put something on there. I'm gonna be all right. I could put a charm on there. You know what? It's probably easier while the book is not somewhere. Let's use one of these little poopers here. And I could put something on there. Yes. Let's see what I got. Where's my metal stuff? Right over here. What kind of charm do we use? Oh, maybe I should use my, because I have the bells here. Maybe I should use more bells. So it's going to be like a bell book. No, let's use some other charm. What do I like? Let's figure out something I like. Look, we have a little feather here. Feather looks pretty. Oh, I took one out already. I was going to take another one out. I'm just going to put the feather on this. If I can. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. I just have, you know, to move it around a little. Okay. And then what? We'll just stick it through this. Same thing. Different spot. Okay. Almost there. Finally, I get to use some of my charms here. I don't know, do you call them charms? I think so. Oh, I might have done it too close on the paper edge. Wait, I need to try and see something to be able to fix it. Okay, did it. Is it gonna be okay? Anyway, I think the double layer is too thick for the charm, but there is a spot that has just one layer, so I'm just gonna hang the charm there. Right? You know, I'll wait for it. I have all of this. And am I using it? No, because most of them need this part. And I don't have this part. So the ones that do need this part, I cannot use because that's me. I always wanted to do jewelry and then I didn't. Until I didn't, right? Because I'm too intimidated by jewelry. Okay, now I can glue it in there. And whatever I do, or do I decorate it first? I always want to glue something in somewhere. Just glue something into something. I'm going to decorate this thing. Let's do this. I did try something because somebody had a special order in my store and they wanted stuff to be white, and I had to try out if I can do it anyways, because you know, coffee dyed paper, I feel like gets stronger from the coffee. It gets stronger. So I basically tried it out on this one, and of course I'm not going to toss it. I'm going to use it for something. And I'm thinking I could just use it for this part, no? Let's just rip it. Oh, Jesus. I can't even rip stuff. What's wrong with me? Okay, this is gonna be too big. I'm gonna re-rip it. Re-rip it to size. I'm gonna rip here a bit. I love the embossed paper. I love all paper. I just can't say what I do not love. I love it all. And okay, look. I think it does look pretty. I wonder if I need to put, well, there's nothing left here. I was wondering if I should put something here, but probably not. I'm just gonna go with this one. And I'm going to just press the edges more. I'm telling you, I'm loving this thing. Look at what it does. Magically distresses. So good. I don't know if it takes a little longer, but I want this to be a little darker too. just feels so good in my hands. I need to just press around the window. I just noticed. And it doesn't leave these round marks. That's my favorite of this. It's the favorite part. All right. So I don't know when my family's gonna come home, because they are still there, and they are still gonna stay there for a little while longer. Meaning afterwards they have like a 3.5 or something hour drive. So it's 8:30 almost. If they would leave now, they would be here at midnight. But I don't think they're leaving now. So it's gonna take a long time. Oh God. Oh God, oh God. What do I have here? I have this little thing. Of course I'm gonna use some of the green stuff. And there is no words or anything like that on the page. So I might just, you know, use a word or something here. And maybe even a little butterfly or something here. I didn't use any butterflies. I'm not a big type of, you know, you see me, I don't use many. The Tim Holtz ones I like. But, you know, other than that, I don't really use many. Okay, this is too big. We could glue it a little bit on the window. That's fine, right? It says, follow your dreams. And I just need to snip off the corners, make it look a little more pretty. And then I'm going to just trust this. Love it. Yeah, you're gonna hear for the next couple videos now how much I love this sponge. Because I really do. Why didn't I do it earlier? I watched Eva for so long, and I see her using this, and I'm like never even thinking to like, what is this? I just randomly saw it in a video. Randomly, she was crafting, and then she said, oh, by the way, this is this. I'm like, what? That was yesterday. Today I made myself a new one. Okay, that is good. Now here, I don't even know if I'm going to decorate anything. We'll see. Let's see. What else we got here? Oh, I do have my little flowers here. Could go. Or do I have any stamp? No, this way too long. Do I have any? Ooh, the pretty ones. Ooh, yeah, the pretty ones. Is too big? I think this one is perfect. And I'm only gonna use one. Or should I use the shorter one? Same but shorter. Oh, come on. Oh, this one was never used, I guess. I kind of like this one, though. I'm going to use this one. Oh, I hope I can stamp properly. I hope I can stamp properly. Let's do this. Let's get a piece of paper first. You know, because I want to see how much it's going to be. Oh my God. All these open things around me. Go away. All right. Let's get a block. There you go. And then I wanna do a trial stamping here. Because this was never stamped. Oh no, this one was. The other one wasn't. One, and if I make a, which one do I like more? This or just the faded one? No, I think I like this. This I'm gonna keep it, you know, like I always do. I will just rip it out and, you know, use it this way. Okay, can we do the same thing all over again? I made my finger black. Can we do the same thing all over again, but here? Will it work? Oh, I missed a little bit. Just a tiny little bit. I'm not going to do it again, am I? I need to come here because now I need to come to see if I can apply it right on top of where I just was. Ooh, perfect. I did, you see? Oh, sometimes I like what I'm doing. Sometimes it works. Okay, I really like it. Look how pretty it is. Love this flower. Okay, this one is here. And then I'm thinking, oh, let me put the backing straight. And then I'm thinking here I would just probably do a background stamp. Just something. I have this. Yeah, this one I would use. But also, I'm going to just get this because I want to stamp this off. This should be faded. I don't want this to be all the way. I want this to be... First of all, I need to know if this is the right way around. And it seems to be. Yeah, I want this to be like this in the background. So I'm going to stamp it off. And then I'm just going to go ahead. And I'm going to do this here too. Stamp it off. Just a little bit in the background. Stamp it off. And then just a little bit in the background. Yeah, I like it this way. Nothing came here because I have the charm here. That's why. Oh, that's why. How do I do that? I need to put this on the side of my block. That's what I need to do. Let's see. Yeah, this is going to be better now. Oh, yeah, definitely. And I'm missing a tiny bit here. Okay, all done. All done. I like it. I don't know if you can even tell. There, a little bit. A little bit of something needed to go there. Okay, let me put my stamp back here. All right, what else? I need to stick something pretty in there or not. It doesn't need to be super pretty. Always I think everything in each window has to be pretty, but it doesn't. Not really. You can just stick any paper in there. Why is this stuck? Let's see what I got here. I want to see if I want to put anything here. But I wouldn't want any words anymore or anything like that. So that's a big butterfly. Do I have like smaller butterflies here? Not in this one. Let's see here. Ooh, I have bugs. No, I have a flower here. I want to have the flowers somewhere. The ones that I stamped with my new stamp. Of course, I want to use it. I wonder if I should I could do the bird. I have leftover birds. Probably even from this side, but I don't want all of this around it. Really don't. So I'm going to cut off the whole frame here. And then see how it looks like. I kinda like it on this side though. Or should I cut it out completely? Just make it smaller. Or should I make it small? Oh, no. What? What are we thinking? Flower and flower I don't like. So, ooh, somebody's walking. Somebody's walking around. Okay, so have nothing here. Have nothing here. I'm pretty sure I have a third green one. Oh, this one has butterflies. Oh, this one has also pictures. Look at that. Follow your dreams. Oh, it could be. It could be like a little picture of somebody, right? Because they are following their dreams. She looks super dreamy. But she got a bird. She got a bird. She's sweet. Or we put a butterfly on there. So either I'll put a little picture on there. It kind of, you know, goes under in this whole thing. Or I put a butterfly on there. Or on here. Kind of like it here. here? What do I think? I'm putting the butterfly on there. What? I don't think I've... Did I ever put a butterfly anywhere like this? A cutout? I do not remember. In any of my stuff? This butterfly doesn't have any antenna. So... Okay, if I put it here, should I give her some strings? Maybe. Don't I have like a whole bag of strings? It's probably somewhere. Yeah, look at that. I started tossing them again because I don't know what to do with them. You know, I sew a lot for the store, and then I'm left with a lot of these leftovers. And a lot. When I say a lot, it's a lot. So I don't know what to do with those. Should I just have some like around? Some more? Some less? More or less? I do not know. More or less. I can have a lot. That's a little much, isn't it? A little much. I feel like. And I don't know how to apply them. I'd never do this, so to me it's like a little weird to do that. How do you bring this into a weird shape, but that still looks good? You know what I mean? Because I don't want it to look like it's folded on purpose, but still want it to look good. Does that look good? Kind of, doesn't it? I'm gonna keep it. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it. There's always the first time for everything. I just need to put a little more glue on the butterfly so it goes through all the layers of my thread as well. And where am I putting you? Wherever you fall, you go, right? So you fall here, you go here. Where's my block? I need to push it down. And then we wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's close the glue while we wait. And try to do this while we wait. Push it all back in. I have to do something with these. These are all like leftovers, my trash collected and stuff. But I'm kind of not doing it. Okay, are we good? But butterfly want to glue to the block. I think it's done. I don't know. Does it look random enough? Kind of, right? And then you open it up, and then you can put a card or two in here. I don't know if this one fits. Why doesn't it go? Okay, let me double check this. Probably just because it's too. Yeah. Okay. Card or two or something or nothing. I'm just gonna stick neutral cards in there, you know? Just like this. I'm just checking out how far it goes in there. Neutral, but here I don't need neutral here. I need something pretty. The neutrals here. Prettiness. Do I have anything that has something pretty on the bottom? Let me see. I have these cards here. Let's check them out. I don't know, these are just pictures. And they are not even wide enough, I would say. Postcard, but then it's too wide. This one, but it's too short. Problems everywhere. If I stick it in here, well, I could still take it out, I guess. Let's cut it on the sides. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it on the sides. Because I'm thinking that this might show. Cut. Cut. Check. Almost. Just a tiny bit more. That should go. It should work. Does it? Does it? Oh, almost. Gee, I don't want to cut too much. Let's see. Let's see, how is it going to go? Like this. I'm going to cut a little more. I'm going to shorten it too much and then width. It's gonna, oh, no, it fits. Yeah, oh, it's perfect, isn't it? It's a perfect card. I love it. I love it. Love it. I went a little crazy on printables. You know, when I joined the Patreon, I downloaded and then I printed. And yeah, but it kind of makes my life easier, I must admit. You know, I must admit. So, and just recently, there was a sale on a printable that I favorited a while ago. So I got it for $1. I didn't print it out yet, but I wanted to do something, to make something for my store, and I think it fits in here. Back then I wanted to make something for my store, but now I'm thinking it fits perfectly in here too. It has really pretty flowers, so I should print it out. And, you know, just, oh, this is the wrong way around. So I'm going to stick it in here, and then this one, I'm going to use my small envelope punch board and punch the edges on this one. So it's a little bit decorative, you know, just a little bit. And then I need to distress too. With this one, you get a really good layer of ink. I think this one collects ink really good. I don't know, I feel like. If I use this, I feel like the layers are different. And then I have to constantly dip and it takes a lot. This one doesn't soak up that much, but it feels like, maybe it just feels like it. I don't know. But I like it. So whatever it is, I like it and I keep it. Okay, back to the journal. What was that? Something, yeah. The part of the butterfly did not glue down, and I don't want it to rip off. Definitely not. And the body here didn't glue down either. Come on. A drop of glue. That's all I need. Okay? Okay. Let's put it back into the journal and see real quick. Oh, where was it? Yeah, that's the problem with journals like that. You don't know where you were, and it always goes somewhere. Okay, so that's pretty. I like this. I'm just wondering if I should put a piece of paper or stick something in there. If I open this up and I glue this, should I stick something there? What do I have? I'm looking for something for like long, something long, but skinny enough because I don't want to cover up the flower too much. But I think this is good. I think this one would be really good. I want to cut it off on the sides just a little bit. Okay, let's take this out. I'm ready to glue it down. And I'm going to put glue on 3 sides, not on the top. Come on. Okay. And then, charm, go away. Charm, go away. You are in my way, don't you see? And then I'm just gonna glue it right here. Is it gluing to the envelope? I can't tell. Okay, let me move the envelope. The charm is in my way. Okay, is it? Where does the envelope end? I can't tell. Once again, I cannot tell. And there's, yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, there's 2 layers of this envelope, and I'm trying to tell, but I'm looking by this layer, and this is a little longer than the other one, so I cannot tell what I'm doing, and I can't figure out what's going wrong. So, yeah, that's me, and I want something like a good quote or something down here. What do we take? Because I think that would fit perfectly. Oh, that foot. I just grabbed it. Did you see? I didn't even read. And now I'm reading and I'm thinking, this is more than perfect. Wow, this drawer seems to be very full. Stuff started falling out of it when I took out the upper drawer. Jesus. Go back in. I don't want to deal with you right now. I cut the corners here before already when I fussy cut it, I guess. Okay, and this could be a little writing spot too, because I'm not going to glue it down. I'm just going to stick it down, and you know what it says? Just living is not enough. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a little flower. And there is a little flower. I think that's why it's so super perfect. I'm just going to stick it in here and have it there. Okay, now next, let's close the glue. I almost didn't cough today. Isn't that nice? Next, where is it? This one. I'm just gonna cut the sides a little bit from each side. Box. Okay, that was good. And now from this side too. Oh, is it too much? Probably not. Something is here. I have to clean my blade again. Sometimes I cut so much stuff that I don't know what happens to my blade, but it's no good. I have to clean it with some alcohol. I'm just rounding the corners a little bit. I'm not very good at it, just so you know. Not very good at anything. I'm just giving my best. All the time, every time, I'm giving my best. You know, I told my husband today, and I said this before, I must admit, but I really want to try again. I want to just work on self-improvement in terms of, I don't want to worry about anyone. And I understand that it's normal. You are a family and you care about your husband, your children, your parents, whatever. But I don't want to for a while. For a while, I really need, because my whole life I'm caring for everybody and about everybody and never about myself. I never care for myself, and I need to start somehow. I need to start caring for myself. And I don't know. I really hope this would work out. It sounds very selfish. I want to be selfish. That's what I want to be. For a while, I want to be selfish. Just me. Nobody else. So let's see how this is going to go. Look. And then this is here. And now I'm thinking, dang it. You know what I'm thinking now? I'm thinking I should have made some kind of closure. Oof. Oof. Dang it. Why didn't I? I should make some kind of closure. Because now I'm not gonna like this. Definitely not. Which way can we do something that keeps this? Probably here. Can I do a little closure here? Is it strong enough? Yeah, here's. Oh, Luna, you okay? She scares me to death every time. Somebody walked by our house. So, you know, Luna is barking. I'm thinking. Okay, let's figure out a little closure. For that, I don't need much. I just need pieces of paper, or maybe like something pretty. I could even use probably like a leftover from my, you know, oh, or this one. This one way too long. Nobody needs this one. I could use one. No, where's a little leftover? You know, this could take a while. I think I'm gonna make it next time because, you know, time is running. But I'm looking for the green punched stuff. I can't find any, so I'm just gonna punch myself one and then layer it. I ask myself, if I layer it, how is it gonna be? Would it work or would it not work if I layer this? I need it stronger. So I'm gonna just punch the whole thing probably here. Oh, I think somebody did something. Okay, so this needs to be cut, and then I would say, ooh, I need it stronger than this for sure. And I'm gonna go right here. So meaning I want to layer it the same way. I want to glue it on top of each other. I think I'm gonna glue 3 layers of this. And then I'm gonna see if it's strong enough. Now BG starts working. You know, guys, I'm just gonna glue the layers by myself and take care of BG, and then I will see you next time. Thank you so much for your time. You know, you made me not being scared for a little while, for like 42 minutes. And I enjoyed it. I really did. And I appreciate your time. And I hope you're healthy and happy and crafting. And I see you soon. BG, say bye-bye too. Bye-bye.